In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Alibaba account. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Alibaba. In the results, look for the official Alibaba website. It should clearly say alibaba.com. Click that result to go to the login and sign up page. On the page, find the option to create an account and click it. Before you start typing, you'll be asked to choose your trade role, buyer, seller, or both. This helps Alibaba tailor your experience, but you can always adjust it later if your needs change. Choose the option that best fits what you plan to do. Now enter your email address. Make sure it's one you can access immediately, since you'll need it for verification. Next, create a secure password. Aim for a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple words or anything easy to guess. You'll be asked to re-enter the same password to confirm it, so type it again carefully to avoid mismatches. For best security, aim for at least 12 characters, and consider using a password manager to generate and store it safely. Continue by entering your company name. If you don't have a registered company, you can enter your brand name or your own name, depending on what you use for business. Then type your full name, exactly as you want it to appear in your profile and communications. Provide your phone number with the correct country code. This helps with account security and communications with suppliers or buyers. Double check the number before moving on. Enter only digits. If there's a country selector, use it so the correct code is applied. Next, review the terms and policies. When you're comfortable, tick the box to indicate that you agree. This is required to proceed, then click the button to create your account. At this point, you will be prompted to verify your email address. Head to your inbox and look for a message from Alibaba containing a verification code. If it doesn't appear within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder. Copy the code from the email, return to the sign-up page, and paste or type the code into the verification field. If the code doesn't arrive or has expired, request a new one on that page and try again. Finally, click Submit. If everything was entered correctly, your new Alibaba account will be created and ready to use. From here, you can explore the marketplace, set up your profile, and start connecting with suppliers or buyers. And that's it. You've successfully created your Alibaba account.